Hello everyone, I'm here to do a quick video on the shortages that were happening in Cuba, but it wasn't happening with food, it was happening with cigars, with the good cigars. So before I keep going, I didn't see any really shortages in Cuba, where the resort I was at. Once in a while they had a shortage of eggs, cups at the beach, plastic cups at the beach, but basically everything else they had in stock. Once in a while also they would run out of pina coladas, but it was like maybe an hour or two. Then they got more back. So let's just get back to this topic. So shortages of good cigars in Cuba. What I've noticed is they had a shortage of big cigars like this, right, and like this over there. They had a lot of cigarillos like this, plenty of that. But then the bigger cigars, they had shortage of it. Like the good cigars from Romeo and Juliet, Monte Cristo, and Cohiba. So what I want to show you here is what I got in Cuba. So this is what I bought just recently. So this box is a box of cigarillos, Romeo and Juliet, and basically it looks like this. These cigarillos, a box of, what is this box of? Let me get this back to normal. Box of, okay, so they are 25 Sport Largos. This is basically these hand rolled, right? There's hand rolled and there's machine rolled. These were machine rolled from Guantanamera, are machine rolled. Romeo and Juliet are all mostly hand rolled. So this was hand rolled, and I got this for 72 USD, right? 2023. This is 2023 prices. I got this box of 15 Guantanamera. You probably can say that better than me. Guantanamera. You get 15 cigarettes. As you can see here, I use this a couple over there, but 15 cigarettes, 35 USD. This is at the store, official market, official stores, and I got this box at the airport, which is basically 5 of these big ones for 25 USD 2023. So what I found out at the store I was shopping this at the airport is that they had hardly had any of these Romeo and Juliet in the metal casing, or the Monte Cristo in the metal casing, or the Romeo and Juliet in the Cohibas in the glass tubes or metal casings. But they had plenty of these cigarillos, but hardly any of these. I'll post some pictures that I took in the store after this video. But yeah, so what I'm going to show you is I bought this section right here, this, and this in 2008, 2009, and 2011. So this box, this giant box, okay, these are, what is this? This is Romeo and Juliet 12 Deluxe number 2s, and this is how big they are, folks. Okay, this was 2011. I bought this big box. Is $120 USD in 2011. This same box, similar box, same size, was almost $400 USD at the airport. Okay, that's how bad things have gotten with the cigars in Cuba. Cigars used to be cheap in Cuba, folks. It used to be dirt cheap, but now this box of these giant ones. Let me show you how big these things are. Let me just move this one here. So this is Romeo and the metal. This metal. Actually, let me bring it out. I'll show you. Okay, so this white metal casing of Romeo and Juliet is a number 1. Okay, and this glass casing is number 2. This is considered a Churchill, right? So, yeah, they didn't have any of these big ones in Cuba. I went to 3 different markets. The one outside there, 2 outside the airport, and 1 inside the airport. They hardly had any of these, folks. They had hardly any of these, but they had plenty of these cigarillos. So what's telling me there's a shortage going on in Cuba with the deluxe cigars, big ones. Even in these Monte Cristos, I bought this back in 2009, $40. Right, this box now. I saw a Cohiba box similar to this. It was almost $200. for this box. I got this at $40 in 2009. So this is Monte Cristo. This is one of the best brands you can buy. This is number 3. Wait a minute. What's the number here? Don't know what size, but the size is similar to this. See the size? It's the same size as this Romeo and Juliet number 1. So yeah, there's a shortage going on in Cuba with the good cigars. I've noticed. It's back. So these. Sorry, I was interrupted for a moment, but yeah, there's a shortage of good cigars in Cuba. So these cigars now, I bought in 2008. You basically quadruple the price now. So this one cigar is now maybe $40. This box, back in 2009 when I bought it $40, is now maybe $200. And this giant box, which I got for $120 USD, is about $400. So yeah, more videos to come, folks. I took tons of videos of the resort in Cuba and the bus ride, so I'm going to show you that shortly. I'm still in the process of processing those videos, but yeah, hope you enjoy them and give me a like. Thanks.